President William Ruto and Azimio leader Raila Odinga have both criticized the Supreme Court verdict allowing registration of LGBTQ lobby groups. The leaders have joined the growing chorus of political voices dismissing the decision issued by the highest court in the land, handing a lifeline to LGBTQ groups. This as the International Commission of Jurists Kenya lauded the Supreme Court for its terms as a demonstration of the great strides Kenya has taken to promote the rule of law, democracy and human rights. NTV's Rose Wangoi begins our broadcast tonight.
Pressure has been mounting on President William Ruto to state his position on the controversial judgment by the Supreme Court that gave the green light allowing the registration of LGBTQ lobby groups.
She alone, in recognition of...
Speaking at the KICC in Nairobi during the relaunch of the Women Enterprise Fund, President Ruto said he respects the Apex Court's decision, but he insisted that Kenya has no place for the queer community.
Desturi, mila, Ukristo wetu, Uislamu wetu, hauwezi kuturuhusu mke aoe mke mwenzake, ama mwanaume aoe mwanaume mwenzake.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who was also speaking at the Hustlers Fund event, said he was shocked by the ruling.
Mimi nilishangaa nikashindwa kuongea. Unajua unaweza shangaa ushindwe kuongea. Sasa mama akioa mama mwingine wataambiana nini? Mama mtaambiana nini? Hiyo maneno hatutaki. Hiyo ni mambo ya kishetani.
Siwezi kuruhusu wanawake wenzenu wawaletee competition. Siwezi kuruhusu wanaume wawaletee competition. Ati wameenda kutafuta wanaume, sasa nyinyi mtatoa wanaume wapi kama wanaume wameenda kujipanga na wanaume wenzao?
On his part, Azimio Party leader Raila Odinga said the judiciary interprets but does not make Kenya's laws.
Yale ambayo wale majaji wangefanya ni kusema kwamba nendeni kwa bunge kikubali itengeneze sheria. Sasa tunasema tunapendekeza bunge itengeneze sheria kulingana na hii mfungo ya katiba yetu ya 45.
Meanwhile, a section of human rights organizations have welcomed the court's decision, saying it demonstrated the great strides that Kenya has taken to promote the rule of law, democracy and human rights. In a statement released by the International Commission of Jurists, ICJ, and I quote, "As such, we agree with the reasoning of the Supreme Court that just like everyone else, LGBTQ have a right to freedom of association, which includes the right to form an association of any kind." End of quote.
Tunajua ya kwamba kuna watu wengi ambao wanaeneza hiyo maneno. Watoto wetu kule university wanahangaishwa na mafundisho ya haya maneno machafu. Mimi nataka niulize wale wote viongozi wetu wa dini katika taifa letu la Kenya waweze kusimama kidete, wafundishe watoto wetu. Msikuwe na wasiwasi, itafanyika kwingine lakini haitafanyika Kenya.
The Supreme Court on Friday said that the decision to deny LGBTQ members their right to register non-governmental organizations, despite same-sex relations being illegal in the nation, was discriminatory. Following the court ruling, some lawmakers have threatened to amend the constitution to disband the Supreme Court over its decision to allow the registration of lobby groups. Rose Wangoi, NTV.